I'm going to try to make a video for the door handle on the driver's side of a 2002 Toyota Corolla. The standard part number of market is Doorman 79502. It's the driver's side front left that we are changing. The tools I have right now are a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead, and a needle nose plier. So let's get started. Start with unscrewing the Phillips head screw. As you can see, it should come off very easily. It's a little bit long screw, so the door handle broke in the last couple of days, so I was trying to fix it. You can see it's a long screw, so we'll secure it here. Then you just pull it off out a little bit towards the right. As you can see, I moved it towards the right, and then you pull it out in the back. You can see this yellow plastic piece that has to be pushed back to disengage the rod that comes in and connects to the handle. I'm pushing it back, as you can see. So it got out. Now all I have to do is to just pry it up a little bit to get it out. Just have to make sure that it doesn't fall down. So here's the broken handle. As you can see, it's a little broken. Next, what I'll do is I'll take my needle nose plier and hold it from here, so I can engage this this door rod into the new handle right here. It's kind of like hard to see. Right. I got it engaged. Now all I have to do is to move this yellow pin back to lock it in place. It'll be a little bit challenged, but you can see I got it now. It's connected properly. Moving back, I slowly slide the door handle. So now I have connected it. There are two hooks, hook-shaped plastic portion on the left hand side and two on the right. So you have to make sure that it goes in on the left, then you push it in and move the door handles towards the left to engage it completely. All we have to do now is to put the screw back, the Phillips head screw driver, as you can see, the work is done. The door handle works fine. We'll test it over next couple of days. Hopefully it should work fine. So about this Doorman handle from Amazon at a very reasonable price, around $10. You can also buy it from some of the auto stores or the dealership. It's your call. The price could be a little higher, but it works fine. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section. I'll try to answer. Thank you. Bye.